This is Fox 4 News at noon. Welcome in. I'm Nick Vassos.
And I'm Kim Burns. Thanks for being with us today. Our top story, a Kansas City linen supply company says the Federal Affordable Care Act will cost it more than $200,000 a year, money the company says it can't afford to spend. Fox 4's John Pepitone is live at Superior Linen Supply, where Senator Roy Blunt says some small businesses are cutting jobs to try to afford the cost of Obamacare. Right, John?
Yeah, that's right, Kim. You know, this company supplies clean linen to doctors' offices and hospitals. One of its biggest clients is Liberty Hospital, which you may remember they just announced $20 million in cuts because of lower government payments that are part of health care reform. And Liberty Hospital already has asked this company to cut its costs, meaning this small business is doing the same amount of work for less money. And while the business brings in less, it's being forced to pay more for health care coverage for its 70 workers. The president of Superior says a $3,000 per worker annual penalty or $400 per month in premium increases is unaffordable and punitive. Senator Roy Blunt says it's an example of how more businesses will be forced to cut hours, resulting in more part-time jobs to get around the health care law requirements.
Well, I think there's no question that there are great incentives in the president's health care plan not to hire. There are incentives not to hire. There are incentives not to transition part-time people to full-time jobs. In fact, there are big incentives if there is a full-time job that becomes vacant to replace it with a couple of part-time people.
Now, the president of Superior Linen told Blunt he believes small family businesses like his are being punished for providing entry-level jobs to unskilled workers. Now, this company does provide some health care coverage after workers have been on the job for a year, but the company president says the coverage the law requires is too expensive. Supporters of health care reform tell me that it's more important that people receive the care they need and not be forced to choose between buying groceries or buying medicine. John Pepitone, Fox 4 News, working for you live in Midtown.
All right, John, thanks. We'll see you in 30 minutes.
Well, how's your hair today? It's a little cuckoo-cuckoo.
Yeah, no kidding.
Michelle can explain